friends, I'm Amrit Arora studying in class 4E, Father Agnel School. In my last video of this private animator, I taught you how to make the background or how to add it. Now I'm going to tell you how to make the animation. So if you have not watched the how to add the background one, so I recommend you click on the top right hand corner where my mouse cursor is to reach to that video. And make sure you check out my new channel intro. Okay, so if you want to just see my intro, I would recommend you click same on the top right hand corner where my mouse cursor is, or before starting the video you just saw my intro of me just sleeping and dreaming about that. So that is also made using pivot animator. So I will also make a tutorial on telling how I made it. So let's just start making the animation. So you see we have the tree over here, we have a stick man over here. You take the yellow dot in the center of the stick man, just move it near the tree around that. Okay, now what you do is you can just click on add frame over here. Now what you can do is you just bring this hand like that. Okay, like that. So it is standing. The other hand also move the second one over here, and this one you can do like that. Bring the leg over here and bring the second leg over here. Click on add frame. Then what you can do is just do it little bit up like that. Do it little bit up like that. Bring the leg like that. Okay, and just uh, take this yellow button, the yellow point, move it a little bit upwards like that. Click on add frame. Now what you do is you can just bring the leg like this. Okay, bring the hand up like that. Okay, up like that. Move it a little bit up like that. Click on add frame. Then you just continue doing this. So you can do like that. Okay, like that. Bring the leg over here. Click. Okay, bring it a little bit up. Click on add frame. Then what you can do is like this and this. Move it little bit sideways and up. Add frame. Then what you can do is just bring the leg downwards. Now what you can do once you are here, I am telling you one thing which I have not tell you till now. You see there is a control key in your keyboard. Press that. Okay, keep holding that and just increase like this. Okay, so you can see. So that is the feature of this also. So what you can do is just do like that, little bit big, little bit big, like that. Okay, you can do like that. Okay, like that. Bring this a little bit sideways. Click on add frame. Then you can just make the hand small again, like that. Around that you can just bring it up like this. Click on add frame. Now what you can do is just rotate the hand like this. Okay, let it be like this and just move it a little bit upwards. Add frame. So now just check how much have we made. Let's just play it. Okay, so it is just climbing up the tree. Now once we are over here, what we can do is just move the legs like this. Bring the hand like this. Move it a little bit there and bring the hand like this. Okay, sorry for the background noise. There is very much raining over here where I live. So once you are over here, you can click on add frame. Then what you can do is just fold the legs like this and bring this a little bit upwards. Click on add frame. Okay, so just delete the last frame by right clicking on it. Delete. Yes. Okay, so you have to do like this. So once it was over here, like that. Okay, it was like this. So what you have to do is just move this a little bit upwards, and now just let the legs be like that, just upwards like this. Click on add frame. Now what you can do is just move the hands like this, so you can do like this. I'll just make it small. Okay, you can just do one up, click on add frame. You can do the second one up, just small it. Okay, click on add frame, bring it down again. Click on add frame, bring it down again. Click on add frame, bring it up again. Click on add frame, bring it up again. Make it a little bit small. Click on add frame, bring it down again. Click on add frame, bring it down again. Click on add frame. Now it is the time to fall down. So what you do is you just do a little bit turning like this. Click on add frame, more turning from here like this. Click on add frame. Okay, these come like this, like this. Click on add frame. Then you do like this, like that. Click on add frame. Okay, you do like this. The legs come over here like that. You just fall down. Click on add frame. Okay, move it a little bit downwards. Legs come like this. Click on add frame. Come a little bit downwards. Hands go like this. Okay, like this. Click on add frame. Comes a little bit down. Legs go straight. Okay, hands go like that. Okay, this turns a bit. Click on add frame. This comes down like that. Make the leg straight. Sorry for the background noise, it is raining very much. And then you do the hand straight again like that. Click on add frame. Move this like that. Okay, move this straight again over here. Click, sorry, like that. Click on add frame. So like that, click on add frame. Now what you can do is just like this. Okay, so when it is hot, so what you do is just bring it up a little and here. Okay, so you bring this up and over here, click on add frame. Then what you can do is just move it like this, do it like this, click on add frame. Move it like this, do it like this, add frame. So now let's just play it. So let us see. Yeah, so that is the cool animation. It is a little bit different from my other one because the falling is a little bit different. Okay, so let's just play it again. Okay, so it is waving his hand and just falling down and is hurt on the head. Like that. So it does this, so it looks funny. So I'll just stop it. So thanks for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. In the next video, I am going to just make a tutorial on the other video, which is my intro one. I'm going to just make a tutorial on that video also. So make sure to subscribe. And one more thing, that I will get a new laptop when I reach 500 subscribers. And now I'm very much 150 subscribers. I am around 140 to 145. So please subscribe my channel and help me reach 500 laptop so that I can teach Pivot Animator and more things on laptop. Okay, so uh, I can just do Pivot Animator on my laptop also. And teach you new things when I get my laptop. So please like, share, and subscribe. And please send this to other people who also learn Pivot Animator or MSW logo or QBasic in their school or anywhere. And please tell them to subscribe so that I can get a new laptop and I can make more tutorials like this one. So thank you and bye.